problem, go to your home with the fucking throne. You know how we do it? Me and my Remy, I don't give a fuck. It's lit, better fluids. I don't give a fuck. You got a problem. Me and Remy gonna handle it. We go in your house, fuck it up, and dismantle it. You know I got the beats, and Hook got the flow. So if you got a problem, just let us fucking know. That's off the top of the dome, we ain't fucking playing. You know, machine guns and 40s out and Rugas, ready to stop spraying. Just ask Little Amp, shooting off rounds like he's the fucking champ. We go in your ant hole, take down your whole fucking control, I don't know.
Oh shit!
Yo, this one for all the people who said that I couldn't kill it. Motivation is haters, so therefore I have to feel it. Dedicated for paper, I'm really sick of just chilling. Started filling all these beats and started killing like Philly. But I'm from the Mill City, where we smoke on that sticky. Drinking all the Hennessy, say my vision ain't clearly. Rocking that same shoe for a month. Ah, shit.
Yeah.
Same shoe for 1 year, I ain't getting really.
Yeah, get it. Get it, Brian. Yo, Brian goes around.
I'm about to feel this.
My head split. That don't feel good.
Yo, you're right.
You ripped.